The mole cricket is a monster of the garden, right? Underground, digging holes, cuts off the roots. But here's what almost no one says. The mole cricket is a living drilling rig that changes the soil so that water and air begin to move in a different way. And sometimes its tunnels make the soil more permeable. So who is she really? Just a pest or an important ecosystem mechanism? We're sorting it out. Just a clarification. The bear is not a single species. There are different bears in different regions. But there is only one general image. It lives in the soil, digs holes, and eats mixed food. So she's an omnivore. It can eat both plant food and animals in the soil, and therefore it affects three things at once: soil, plants, and underground trivia. Now there will be 10 functions with analysis and 10 surprising facts. 3. 10 functions of a mole cricket in nature. 1. Soil. Engineer. Digs holes and creates biopores. The mole cricket builds tunnels. These are not just holes. These are channels through which air and water move. Studies on mole crickets have shown that the activity of female mole cricket can increase water infiltration and reduce surface runoff. Humanly speaking, the soil drinks water better. 2. Improvement of soil aeration. Where there are passages, the soil becomes less strangled. Roots, microbes, earthworms, everyone needs oxygen. The mole cricket does not make the soil perfect, but adds breath to it through the structure of the moves. 3. Mixing of soil and organic matter. When she digs, she moves the soil particles, drags organic matter, creates microzones, where it is wetter, where it is drier, where it is looser. This is the same logic as that of earthworms. Bioturbation is the mixing of living things. 4. Soil invertebrate regulator. The mole cricket is a hunter too. In the soil, it can eat small insects and larvae. It is not a super predator, but it participates in the control of underground fauna. 5. Decomposition participant. Organic recycling. Even when the mole cricket feeds on plants, it often deals with underground organic matter. Part of the food leads to droppings, leads to germs. This accelerates the circulation of substances in the soil. 6. Connecting link. Underground food for above-ground predators. The mole cricket is eaten by birds and small predators, and sometimes it is dug up when it is active near the surface. That is, the bear transfers energy from the soil to those who live on top. 7. Creating a microenvironment for other organisms. Her moves are ready-made corridors. They can be used by other small inhabitants of the soil, microarthropods, larvae, even some worms. The soil is a city. The mole cricket is a tunnel builder. 8. Influence on the water regime of the soil. The passages work as drainage and as ways for rapid water penetration. This is useful under some conditions and can be a problem under others, such as when there are too many tunnels in the lawn or field. That is, the effect depends on the density and location. 9. Participant of natural selection in the soil. She catches those who are caught. She survives where others don't. This creates selection pressure on soil animals. Be faster, be careful, it's better to hide. The ecosystem is training. 10. Biological marker, where the soil is alive and soft. The mole cricket loves soils where you can dig, moist, structural, with organic matter. If the environment becomes completely dry, compressed, or dead, the mole cricket often disappears or decreases significantly. Not an absolute rule, but a pattern. 10 unusual facts about the mole cricket one. She can actually fly. Adult mole cricket are capable of flight and sometimes fly to new places. And so they suddenly appear where they were not. 2. It's not a bug or a mole. The mole cricket is an insect, a relative of crickets. Hence the second surprise. 3. Males sing underground. Males make mating noises not on a branch, but in an underground chamber. 4. They are building an acoustic amplifier. Some species dig a drill hole so that it acts as a mouthpiece and enhances the song. That is, it is literally insect plus sound engineering. 5. The life cycle is an incomplete transformation, egg to nymph to adult, without the pupal stage. Nymphs look like adults, just smaller and without wings. 6. Eggs are laid in an underground chamber. The female makes a special cell in the soil and lays a clutch. 7. It's not just eggs that hibernate. In many regions, adults and slash or large nymphs survive the winter. 8. The front paws are like an excavator. Their forelegs are adapted to digging, wide, powerful, shoveled. That's why it sinks into the ground so quickly. 9. They are active at night and often go to the light. In summer, mole cricket are often seen at night, and they may be attracted by artificial light. 10. It is a pest in the garden, but in nature it has a broader role. Yes, the mole cricket can damage roots and shoots, and this is a real problem in the agricultural environment. But in nature, it performs the functions of a soil engineer, a regulator of underground fauna, and prey for predators. That is, she is not evil. It is an ecosystem tool that becomes a problem where people grow delicate crops with dense planting. Conclusion. The mole cricket is not just a pest. This is an underground worker. She's digging. It changes the soil. It moves water and air, eats underground insects, and feeds those who hunt from above. Small, dirty, but it's systemic. If it was useful, subscribe. Here we analyze the animals so that it is clear who really keeps nature in working order. And write in the comments, for you, the mole cricket is just an enemy of the garden, or do you see her as a soil engineer now?